This customer support video is a step-by-step guide on how to flash your 24 Plus L5P with the HP Tuners RTD4 and MPVI4. Go ahead and plug your device into the OBD2 port if you haven't done so. Turn the ignition to the run position for 6 to 7 seconds without touching the brake. Open the TDN app. Go ahead and sync files at the bottom. What this does is it brings the modified ECM and TCM file from the cloud to your device. Now that the files have been synced to your device, you are now ready to flash your ECM file onto your L5P. You will see your truck underneath read and write. Tap on your truck and you notice a drop-down menu. Go ahead and select write, and then you will notice a drop-down menu underneath write. Select full write. Then you will notice a confirmation window. Click the write button. Then you will see the tune that you're flashing. Select the write button once again. And then finally it'll ask you if you want to write the vehicle. Go ahead and select write one last time. You will see the prompts and notice that the tune file is flashing. This may take a few moments. Once the engine tune is done flashing, you will notice in the prompts, go ahead and turn the ignition back on and hit OK. Now we will be flashing the transmission tune. Everything is still connected since we just flashed the engine. To write the transmission tune, we're going to turn the ignition off. To begin the flashing process, it will be just like your ECM flash. Go ahead and select write on your TCM file. On the drop-down menu, select full write. Confirm by selecting write. With this next prompt, go ahead and select write once again. And now to confirm writing your vehicle, one last time, select write. Your TCM tune is now flashing. This may take a few moments. The app will let you know when the transmission tune is completed. Once you see this, go ahead and turn the ignition on. Hit OK to continue. Engine and transmission are now written. The next step is we're going to clear codes. Whenever you flash these modules, they will throw a communication error code. That's what this step ensures you won't have to worry about after tuning your truck. Select Diagnostics. Select Clear Codes. Once your app has finished clearing codes, you will now start the truck just to make sure that there's no warning lights on the dash. You will notice no codes or no lights on the dash. The codes have been cleared. Your 24 Plus L5P engine computer module and transmission computer module have been tuned. Enjoy, and if you have any questions, give us a call at 815-568-7920. Thanks for watching.